Jason Boyles here again, working on this, resurrecting this old 1980s, 1989 Squire guitar. Had a damaged neck. Yeah, this is getting to be pretty difficult. So, Floyd Rose that I have isn't a floating one, so it likes to seat all the way back down in the resting position, and it just tilts forward to loosen the strings. It doesn't tilt back as well. So I'm having to work around a little bit of that. I forgot to get the intonation adjuster, so I've ordered one of those so that I can adjust intonation and get the strings playing correctly. But the bigger problem is I do not like the action. The action on this just plays way too, the strings play way too high. I need to get some shims in here. So I'm going to build a couple of handmade shims to put under the neck so that I can get the neck to body transition correct. Because right now it's not playable in its current state. So yeah, that's my next task. Create a shim, put shim in the neck, disconnect all of this again. I kind of figured that was going to be the case because the neck is just about a half to 1 millimeter higher height-wise than the prior neck, which obviously is going to throw the string angle off significantly. I thought maybe I could adjust it with the posts, but doesn't seem to be the case. So yeah, that's my next task: get a shim in place, get the strings playing correctly, get the action correct. And overall, though, the electronics work, so that's a bonus. I was hopeful they were going to work okay, and they are. They don't have too much noise in them. They're standard single coils up here, which do have some hum, and especially like fluorescent lights and stuff that are around, it'll hum like crazy. But for the most part, they sound relatively decent enough to use as a good guitar. Yeah, so that's the next step. Get a shim in place and see how we can get the action on this thing.